but it doesn't do for a duck to look sheepish. It confuses the other animals.
How's it going, Ida? You still sitting? I don't know, it's alright for some.
Well, if you like the sound of it so much, why don't you take a turn sitting on the nest?
Oh,
And
Ida.
wipe your webs. I just did the floors this morning.
Oh, Ida, you know how much I'd love to have a crack at sitting on the eggs for a bit, but you look so comfortable up there and it seems a shame to disturb you.
Huh? And what about the extension on the nest you promised? It's going to be very clear when the little ones arrive, especially with that one big egg thing to catch. Goodness knows the size that chick is going to be.
You know, I reckon there might be a turkey's egg.
Okay, Drake. How did turkey's egg get to be in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
We'll just have to wait and see who he takes after, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyways, must fly. I promised to help the rooster count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Where else do you suppose I'm going to be? As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit minding my brood. Their little heads so soft and downy, their baby bods all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking around in a line. And I'll do what any other mother would to try and do my best to bring you up high. It's the joy of motherhood, those little quirks that make it all seem worthwhile. And I'll do what any other mother would to get my dog checked out and living inside.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's Mother to be?
She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is.
I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad once the family arrives. How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now.
Oh well, best things come to those who wait.
I don't know.
Just think of the rewards all of those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed? Why do we put ourselves through it?
When you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. And watch the maiden voyage out to the bend.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing.
Accompanied by mother.